Akira Ioane. Now he slings it away for Black. Black times the pass beautifully. And Talia scores. And the Blues are in after a lot of pressure.
Nice scrum.
Here he is. Off it goes. Now the short pass. And Clark goes strolling through. The biggest gap you'll ever see. Evans slings it away for Lamb. Now Marshall. Here is Tauala showing good pace. He's got Umaga Jensen. And away goes Peter Umaga Jensen. And the Hurricanes strike. Going to be Akira Ioane. Now Black. And away goes Nanai. And Milani Nanai scores the try right on halftime. For Garden Bishop. Jabs a little one in behind. Beautifully done. And Fletcher Smith scores. As Evans fires it off to Garden Bishop. Little jab in behind. Here comes Smith again. Turns it back on the inside and away goes Walker Leawere. Hurricanes in again.
Well, what a super impact our mate Fletcher Smith has made. Another little chip kick over the back. They must have talked about that. And a step from the big number 5. There you go.
How about that step, Cully? You'd be proud of that. That's a lock. That bloke's got 5 on his back.
Perenara. Evans driven back in the tackle. Now Fido. Got through Parsons. Powerful run. Got it away to Umaga Jensen. Oh-ho! The old Scots College connection. Conversion made. Drifting back. Can't get away from Garden Bishop. Fires an awful pass. Gibson. And the Blues playing around with the ball inside their own 22. And a penalty goes the way of the Hurricanes. Looking pretty straight. It is. They win this game. They'll have actually won more games in the regular season than the Crusaders. Can you believe that? The Hurricanes win their 12th game of the season against all odds, really, and they've come back in the second half with 24 unanswered points to win 29-24.